I grew up in the Metro Detroit area. I listen to the radio, and Detroit's got a ton of fantastic talk hosts and shows and programming overall. So I was like, you want to know something? This would be something cool. Like, I like being entertained. So I think in turn, I like entertaining people. My freshman year, I was just a regular DJ on Mountain 101 and then More Rock Radio 91.5. Administration decided that the stations that we had were not working. We were completely out of touch. They said that they were going to change the formats, and we pretty much had a lot of free reign on what we wanted to do. So that's how 101.1 The Beat was born. Then, we started looking into different formats, and, obviously there's a ton of country stations, and we didn't want to do country. Rock was obviously not working. That was the whole reason that the format was changing in the first place. So we were like, what doesn't this town have? So hip-hop, and hip-hop's a huge demographic that was not being hit, young people, college kids. So that's how hip-hop, 101.1 The Beat, was pretty much brought into inception. Then it took about 5 or 6 months for us to gather the music and get a new logo and hire a voiceover artist and launch the station. I don't think anything better could have happened than them say, hey, let's change the formats. We influence, how people feel that day, or, what people think about a certain song. We've been on for about 7 weeks. We're a very young station. We've already got 1,000 followers on Twitter. The radio is where people go to get away from their issues. The rule that I have here is, don't talk about sad stuff. We talk about happy stuff. We brighten people's day. We're very listener-oriented in terms of what they want to hear. Students do run everything. It's students in charge of other students. Commercials, and then the broadcasting budget would be pretty much how we're funded. My favorite part would be the satisfaction of seeing that I created something that people are responding to and people are enjoying. Basically, it's a show that never stops. It's 24/7. What do you want to hear? The lows. I got you. It's coming up, alright? Yeah, no problem. Have a good one. 101.1 The Beat, Mount Pleasant's new and only hip-hop station. I love this position.